Hi guys, it's morning time. Don't expect morning. I expect less. Well, bet. Cause I got a new watch. See?
So you cracking out because I'm telling you no, and that's the reason why you should not be her friend. You need to leave that girl alone. In her hand, she got somebody. She thinks she got what she can tell what to do. And you a boss. I'm a grown person, just like you a grown person. You gonna crack out for what? I'm not your child.
I do what we want.
I'll leave her alone.
Yes.
You know, she thinks she got somebody she can play with. You grown just like she grown. What would you cracking out for? I'm not your child. And even if you have a deaf child, you ask them could they take you somewhere. You would make them. You would demand to take you nowhere. Who are you?
Again?
And I would say,
Nothing. 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 Woo! At least it's time to get out. It's morning. So this morning, I decided to. Very dark. Very, very dark. And also very high. I'm just gonna go in front. Front! Moving nice. It's fine. Come on. What? What's in her?
I want to see what she like. I want to see what she like.
I guess.
She better calm down. Damn, before she be out of the job. She see the government cuts. She better fight down before she be out of a good job.
I have all back.
They cut so many military contracts. If you are a merchant seaman, 9 times out of 10 you pick up cargo.
I mean, my bad action figure. It's kind of useless. Goes, it's not really. Cut.